Hello, today I'm going to show you how to send bold text on Discord. Let's start. First of all, open up the Discord. After opening the Discord, click on any server to send a text. Then open up the chat of any friend's server and type in #hello everyone and send it, which will make your text bold. The text you sent will become bigger in size. If you want to send bold text, just simply use #sign before every text. It will make the text bold. So let's try typing #how are you all doing and then send the text. Well, this is how you send bold text on Discord. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.